Hello my dear students. Today we will start with secretarial practice. In that we have already started with topic number 3, formation of a company. Dear students, you all know that there are 3 stages in formation of a company. Number 1, promotion. Number 2, incorporation of a company. Number 3, commencement of business. Today we will start with promotion. Clear? And its steps. So before starting, what do you mean by promotion? I told you in my last lecture that promotion of a company means taking all the necessary steps to incorporate a company. That what are the steps to be taken for incorporation? Incorporation is nothing but registration as per the provisions of Companies Act 2013. So you can see in the slide that there are various steps to be taken in promotion stage. Number 1, we will start. Number 1 is come up with a business idea or activity. Clear? So in this stage the promoters will come up with a business activity that they wish to undertake. That means they will going to decide which activity will be considered. Then after that they will choose a business activity after seeing various factors like scope of business, competition, availability of factors of production, and many more. Clear? Then after this they will prepare a business plan. Clear? Then second step, you can see the arrow is downward. Clear? So please be careful while putting the arrow mark. It should always be downward. Clear? Then first stage we have completed. That means the promoters will going to discover an idea to start a business activity. Clear? They will come up with different activity of business. The number 2 we will see prepare financial plan. Here the promoters decide the scale of operation and accordingly prepare the financial plan. Dear students, you all know that whether the activity of business is small or large, but it should be started with a capital. Clear? So here the details of the amount of capital needed and from where we will collect that capital is planned in this step. Then third we will see prepare draft of memorandum of association and articles of association. I told you about these two important documents of the company, right? Memorandum of association is a primary document. Here in this document object of the company is framed. And what about articles of association? This is a secondary document of a company, and in this the internal management of the company is decided. So here promoters will prepare these two important documents and it has to be submitted along with the application form for incorporation of a company. That means whenever we are registering a company, we have to draft these two important documents and we have to submit this document to ROC, that means registrar of company. Then next point we will see enter into preliminary contract. Clear? Enter into preliminary contract is nothing but, you all know that on behalf of the proposed company, the promoters may enter into preliminary contract with third party. They enter into such contract so that the company can start its business activity immediately after its incorporation. Clear students? So next point we will see appoint first director. You all know that shareholders are the owners of the company, but directors will manage the company. Clear? So we have to appoint the first director. In this, promoters have to appoint first director who will take charge of the management of the company immediately after incorporation. So they have to nominate themselves as a first director of the company. So dear students, this is our number 1 stage, that is promotion stage. Promotion stage is nothing but what are the steps to be taken to incorporate a company. So for incorporation of a company in promotion stage, we will require number 1, come up with business idea or activity. Number 2, prepare financial plan. Number 3, prepare draft memorandum of association and articles of association. Number 4, enter into preliminary contract. And number 5 is appoint first director. Clear students? So this is the first stage. Then moving further with the second stage, that is incorporation of a company. Dear students, incorporation of a company is nothing but here we will register a company. Clear? Register a company. So, depending upon the object of the company, scale of operation, amount of capital needed, the promoters will decide whether to form a public company or a private company. Clear? So, depending upon all this situation, the promoters will going to decide whether to start a public company or to start a private company. So, we will learn steps in this. What are the steps to be followed for incorporating a company? Clear? Number one, we will see obtain digital signature certificate. Clear? That means DSC. DSC is nothing but digital signature certificate. A digital signature certificate is needed for persons authorized to sign document for e-filing. Clear? That means you all know that promoters and the proposed first director need to obtain a DSC by applying to the certified authority. Clear? That means here the person who is authorized to sign the document needs what? Needs a digital signature certificate. So he has to obtain that certificate. Then number 2 point, register DSC in the name of the director with MCA. That means second step is after obtaining the digital signature certificate in the name of promoter or director, the DSC has to be registered. That means while taking this while taking this digital signature certificate, that has to be registered with MCA. MCA is nothing but Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Clear? Then next point we will see obtain director identification number. That means the proposed first director of the proposed company who do not have DIN, director identification number, have to apply for DIN in electronic form SPICE 32. What is SPICE 32? It is nothing but it is a simplified pro forma for incorporating a company electronically at the time of incorporation. A person to be appointed as a director must have a DIN number. That means whoever be the director of the company must obtain DIN number. DIN number is nothing but director identification number. The next point we will see apply for reservation of a name. Here the promoters will propose name of the company. Clear? To whom the promoters will propose name to the central registration center, right, for by filling form RUN, that is reserve unique name, along with the prescribed fees through MCA portal. Clear students? That means they have to decide a name and that decided name will have to be approved by central registration center by filling a form. The form is RUN, that is reserve unique name. Then here promoters may suggest more than one name in order of their preference. Clear? Then after verifying its database, the CRC, that is Central Registration Center, will give its approval for the proposed name and reserve the name for a period of 20 days from the date of application. Then after that, dear students, number 5 point is finalize memorandum of association and articles of association. Again, these two documents have to be submitted along with the application for incorporation of a company. Clear? Then if it is a proposed public company, then the list itself with one or more stock exchange, promoters should send a copy of the draft memorandum of association and articles of association to such stock exchange for their review and suggestion. That means if it is a public company, then promoters have to list that company with stock exchange. Then at that time these two documents have to be submitted. Clear? Then after that, signing, stamping and dating of memorandum and articles of association. Dear students, the memorandum and articles must be signed by each subscriber to the memorandum and shall add the name of description, address, occupation in the presence of at least one witness who shall attest the signature. Clear? Then it may be stamping date or any other date after stamping. Then Afterwards, preparing other necessary documents needed for incorporating a company. Clear, students? Here, consent of directors in this. That means here the list of persons who have agreed to be the first director along with their written consent should be prepared. Then their personal details, DIN number, proof or identity, etc. should be included in the list. Thank you.